The One Big Beautiful Bill Act changed more than just when you can deduct R&D expenses. It fundamentally changed how you need to prepare your R&D tax credit claim. If you're still using your old processes, you're putting your credit at risk. Here's a rundown of what changed. Change number one is aligned with Section 174A. Your R&D credit now ties directly to expenses eligible under the new Section 174A. That means domestic R&D expenses you're immediately expensing. Foreign R&D expenses still amortized over 15 years? Those follow different rules for the credit calculation. You need to track domestic versus foreign expenses separately from the start. Change number two is document retroactive elections. If you're a small business claiming retroactive relief for 2022 to 2024, your documentation requirements just tripled. You must now show consistent treatment across all amended years, proper Section 280C elections, reduced credits for previously claimed amounts. And if you miss any of these, the IRS will reject your amended returns. Now, change number three is to prepare for Section G, even though it's optional. So Section G of Form 6765 is optional for 2025, but mandatory for 2026. Smart companies are using 2025 as a dress rehearsal. That means organizing your R&D activities by business component now, not scrambling next year when it's required. The OBBB Act didn't just restore immediate expensing, it came with stricter documentation expectations. So now, for every qualifying project, you now need clear business component identification, systematic tracking of qualified research expenses by component, contemporaneous records of technical uncertainty and experimentation, as well as wage breakdowns by direct research, supervision, and support. After-the-fact documentation no longer cuts it. The IRS wants contemporaneous records created as the work happens. Now, preparing R&D claims under the new rules requires specialized expertise and robust tracking systems. At Boast, our platform automatically organizes your R&D data to meet the new OBBB Act requirements, from Section 174A to Section G readiness. Schedule a free consultation to see how we prepare compliant, maximized R&D claims under the new rules. Don't let the new requirements cost you your credit. Get it right the first time.